Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and yes, I am back with another video. Now, let me do this right quick. Some of y'all actually saw me do some videos last week. What's it say? 6 days ago. This one say 7 days ago. The first video I did on this matter was FireSend. It was some reason it wasn't in the Play Store, and the website was down. It was offline. And of course, I talked about it, and I think some people in social media was actually asking about it. And then the following day, what do we have? FireSend is back. I did a video on it. FireSend is back, and I called it the best app for setting up your Google TV devices. And the thing about it, did I cause this? I do not know. Because today, guys, let me do this right here. I am on Google TV right now. This is the on device right here. As you see, the on device, let me move that out the way. And this is what's going on. Play Store. And we're going to go to the Play Store. And so that I show you before we do that, FireSend is up and working and ready to go. Okay, even if I refresh it, and you see FireSend is up. But now when we go into the Play Store on this on Google device, let me go over here. Let me put in FireSend. Fire. And usually when you put in FireSend, it pops up. You'll see that big old paper airplane and things like that. But it is not showing up in the Google TV space anymore. It's like Google TV removed it. I don't know what's going on because, again, we know it's online. Also, guys, let me show you something. If you have it on your device, which I have right here, you see I have it on this device. I click into it, and it's there. It's just removed from the Play Store. And this is what's stopping me from actually doing a full video, which I was prepared to do about a couple days ago. I was preparing to do a step-by-step process on how to set it up, FireSend on your computer and on your device, and how you can use it to set up your devices. But again, we got issues. And again, I don't know what is causing this. What is the big confusion? Play Store. And so with that being said, let me move this out the way. Again, some people may say, hey, Dale, no, the words need to be separated. It really doesn't matter, and I'm going to show you that right now. And again, this is such an awesome application. But it's like you got to have it. But I'm going to show y'all something else as well. So you see, it's just not showing up at all. FireSend is not showing up. So they removed it. Google TV removed the app from the Play Store. Now, could there be something going on in the background where they have to renew a license or something like that? Possibly. But it seems like when you fix one thing, something else is going on with these devices right here. So, and just so we make it clear, let me do this, right? I do have, the Buzz TV, Google TV series. So let me do that right now. I'm going to unplug this device. Lose some signal right there. All right. And let me plug in the HDMI. There you go right there. And I'm going to plug in the network cable so I'm on the same network. And again, this is the G series. Okay, where are we at? I think this is it right here. And so people know that this is the G series and not nothing else. Let me go up here and go to, move out the way, man. It seems like ever since they did this update with Google TV, man, it be trying to pick up everything. Okay, so I'm going here. I'm going to the system. I'm going to the about, and you're going to see the device name. But you see right here, this is the Buzz TV G series. This is the original name, but you could change it to whatever you want. But this is the Buzz TV G series, so that we're, people don't say, oh man, that was the same device, stuff like that. So let me do this. Play Store. And I'm going to just want to make sure it's not just on the on devices. So again, I'm going to go up in here. Let me search FireSend. And as you see, nothing is showing up. I mean, they really removed this application from the Google TV. I mean, they removed it from the Play Store. But I got one more thing that I want to try as well when I'm using this device. I'm going to the Explorer app. Okay, we're going to do that. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, I'm just get rid of some of these tabs. Probably should have kept that one, but it's all good. But I'm going to the Explorer app. Let's open it up. Make sure everything is turned on. That way I can install an app from here. So the first thing I'm going to do, all right, if you're familiar with this device, I'm going to put the FireSend app in the download folder using this application here. But first things first, I have to turn on the Wi-Fi, sharing, so I can share applications or send applications from my PC or from one Android device to another. So I'm gonna turn this on, and as you see, I got my URL that's right here, and it ends in 93. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type in, let me do this, 192.168.1.93, and I'm gonna hit this colon 1111, and we should get access to it, which is right there. And so what I'm gonna do, wrong mouse. Let me minimize this right quick. And you're gonna see me drag the FireSend app into the download folder. I just have to go and get it and then set everything up. So let me do that right now. I think it's inside this folder. All right. And here it is right here. But let me move this off screen. And let me go and get it. And it should be, it's not right there. So where is it at? Right here. Okay. And I'm going to drag it, which you see right here on your screen. I'm going to put it inside of the download folder. Okay. Let me drop this down. So now, you saw it go in there, and then when I go back to the device and I go into my internal space, you see I have one download right here and the FireSend app. Let's see if Google TV allow me to install the FireSend app onto this device. All right, so I'm going to the settings, I'm gonna click allow, and I'm gonna hit install. And look what it says. The app isn't compatible with your television, which is kind of strange. Very, very strange, in my opinion. Okay. Again, let me try it again. You'll see me press on it and hit install. And they have removed this this application, where you can't even use it. You can't even sideload it. If it's not already on your device, you're going to have some problems. And again, this is happening on pretty much every Google TV device I have used. And as you see, there go the Buzz TV application right there. So I don't know what's going on. I'm hoping that maybe it's a license issue or something like that. But this is starting to become major because, and this goes to show you how some of these platforms be watching YouTube, because first it was gone, and I think it was on FireSend side because the website was even down. So then they return, I do the video, and now you can't even install it on using the Google Play. Now, I don't know if it'll work on the Amazon Fire TV sticks or anything like that. I have not tried it. But if you have, just let me know in the comments. This is starting to become terrible. All right. And again, I think I'm going to have to just do a video. Okay. I'm going to have to do some type of video just showing you how to save it to your cloud or save it to your flash drive, which is like this. If you got a flash drive, some of y'all call it thumbnail. Some of y'all can even save it to your external hard drive. Okay, you can save it to an external hard drive as well. That way you always have it. That way you can install your third-party applications and everything. And that's not the only thing that's happening. Let me show you what Google TV is doing. Let me go back. Okay, before I let y'all go, let me go back. Let's get it back onto the ON 4K. All right. Just before I let y'all go, because a lot of these applications are crashing all of a sudden. And I believe it is Google TV. Okay, there it is right there. Well, you ain't got your light on down here. It's hard to see. So we're going to wait for this to come back up. You know, I just powered everything up. You see it right there on your screen. You got the black screen. I got my on remote right here. You'll see me starting to move in just a second. All right. You see me moving. But let's do this. I'm going to show you something right quick and what is going on. Okay. So when you go into it, what it's doing, when you click on there, it won't even open up, guys. Look at this. I mean, it's shutting down, and pretty much quite a few of these third-party applications are doing the same exact thing. So again, there are other ones out there that you can get, you know, if you do your research, or you know, there are others out there. Just know that there are other third parties that they are not blocking, but I'm not going to say it currently right now. That's all you got to do is do your research and things like that. But let me know, man. I don't know why Google TV is doing this. I don't know if it's a licensing issue. I just don't know, but this is definitely not good. Definitely when it comes to Google TV. It seems like when we told everybody to jump ships from Amazon to Google TV, everything was running fine. But it seems like, you know, I don't know. It just seems like something is going on behind the scenes that we don't quite know exactly what's going on. If you're not subscribed to the channel, this is your chance to hit that subscribe button, press the like button, or maybe you don't like it. You know, maybe you like, that's cap, Dale. Also share, because again, I look at my analytics and I see that y'all share my videos and your social media groups. Also hit that bell icon. That way you stay notified anytime I release anything on YouTube. Salute. But what do y'all think? Google TV is blocking FireSend. This is terrible. All right. Love to hear your thoughts. Talk to y'all later. Peace.